nitie jok moko mane ok dwa dhi e ng'anyo mane Gen Z oluongo. Nitie jok moko mane chunygi ne gombo mondo gidhi gi mbele gi tijegi kaka kawaida. Iwinjo? Nikech maybe they live from, most of them live from hand to mouth. Ne gidwaro ni mondo gidhi mbele gi tijegi kaka pile. To koro ma be tij polis. Nyako make sure ni jok madwa no dhi mbele gi tijegi kaka pile gi be timo gigegi kaka pile. Jok madwa dhi e ng'anyo be dhi e ng'anyo gi kaka pile. Ndiye samo cases manowuok manotimore samori neno ka police jo ng'anyo bagi gi kidi, the police be en dhano. Ngeni gimo we always forget, even if the Article 37 gives everybody the mandate to protest peacefully, police be en dhano. Okinyal wuok ni dhi e ng'anyo tidhi chako intimidate kata idwaro police en dhano, idwa intimidate with all nini. Ma en dhano nikech biro chopo sama koro okonyal take in those intimidation, obiro respond by golo iro malungo wang' no mondo you disperse. Iwinjo? Ka in peaceful demonstration, we have seen in other countries when they do demonstration, it's always very peaceful and they just walk and nobody interferes with them. To maromo believe we have a culture in Kenya ni nyaka wabed gi gik moko. However much giwacho ni onge silaha en peaceful, so you've witnessed some of these protests or ginga as peaceful as that. Secondly, some instance alafu koro kata police mano in line of duty ni. When many people celebrate such a thing, okay. Koro instances gite iwacho ni nyalo seyo gweno, okinyal seyo gwang'
Makamu wacho kind of travel will reach a time when the government will eat its own people, and this is the time. Serikal chamo joge sana.
And then watch moro mar pending bills. And I'm glad he really stressed on the procurement process in Kenya is not that transparent. And that is why the president is very passionate about pending bills. And pending bills verification that committee that was formed, chaired by Edward Uko, the former Auditor General. And this is the trajectory that we are taking. Onge expenditure from the public coffers that will just be paid without being verified. Actually, there is some amount that has been verified and it is still on process. Koro mano be, we will handle that as a government to ensure that no pending bills. The public has lost a lot of money in these pending bills. Verified. Koro we are taking that as a government to ensure that every pending bill must be verified, and then kukobedo ichule. And then what we about gik moko mang'eny. Nadwa penjo Sankara as a human activist, nikech akieka dono support BBI, and there's very many
to the human activism.
Sankara, the problem with you don't want to give somebody time to talk. When you were talking, I was so silent.
Okay, what are you saying?
And Nadwaro ni when, if at all, ni Azimio, let's say ni Azimio manoka oloch back in 2022. Negise kalo BBI kaka ne wang'eyo. And then we knew how bloated it was. I was asking Sankara as a human activist, Negech, jok maneno, the kind of reasoning maengo leans toward the other side. And then adwaro na penje ni ere kaka ne gidhi maintain that bloated government of BBI proposal